Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Kevin and this is KevSpec Garage. Here's my dope intro and some spoilers on what's to come on this channel. If you see something that you like, do hit that like button and subscribe. Enjoy the show, get some coffee, get some tea because it's gonna be good. Take a seat and I'll see you at the end. Welcome back. Thanks for watching. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. I put a lot of time into it. As you can see, this is a New York. It's cold out here, really. As you can see, this is a New York based channel. It's something really different than most of the other YouTubers out there. Everyone is based down south. I think this is something that's really unique and brings its own set of challenges. So if you're from New York, show your support and subscribe. I plan to drop a video at least once a week, if not twice a week, just to keep you guys updated on what's going on. There might be some special videos in between, so definitely keep an eye out on those. Hit that bell button to get those notifications. It's gonna be good. So, content for this channel, I will be covering builds, how-tos, unboxing, reviews, car meets, events, just about everything and much more. So please support the channel by hitting that like button and subscribing for more. Let me know down in the comments below what you think will be the first build of the channel. Thanks, and later.